The UgMO wireless soil sensor system has been designed to deliver wireless range up to 600 feet from its buried sensors to the base station. However, there will be situations when a base station cannot establish a connection with the sensor within the distance where the sensor placement is beyond this range. This can be caused by many factors that may not be within the control of the installer. The UgMO wireless repeater has been developed to provide both improved signal strength and extended range between UgMO soil sensors and base stations. The repeater can be easily installed, and proper operation can be confirmed with the help of the on-off button and LED lights on the front panel. The power LED illuminates when connected to power. The receive LED toggles on and off each time a sensor packet is received. The transmit LED blinks rapidly when a packet is transmitted to the base station. The offline LED illuminates when the unit is offline, and while in this state of operation, the repeater will not transmit any packets. Pressing the on-off button once will take the unit offline, and the offline LED will illuminate. Pressing the button once more will cause the repeater to come back online, and in doing so, it will transmit a special packet 3 to 5 times, during which the select button LED will blink. Notice that the transmit LED will also blink each time a packet is transmitted. The optimal location of a repeater is halfway between the base station and the hard-to-hear sensor. The repeater may be placed inside a building if a suitable location can be found. It is okay to locate it within a closet provided AC power is available. Alternatively, the repeater may be positioned outside in a location with few obstructions between it and the sensor and the base station. Up to 300 feet of 18-gauge underground irrigation wire may be attached to the transformer to extend placement if the AC outlet is not conveniently located at this position. Once a suitable location has been identified, it is important to confirm that the repeater is within range of the base station. All repeaters have a unique NWA that always begins with the letters FA. Simply pair the repeater to the base station and assign it to any zone as you would a sensor. With the repeater in the desired position, press the select button to illuminate the offline LED, and then once again to transmit the special packets. Return to the base station and navigate to the view sensor screen. Press the select button until the repeater NWA is displayed. If the base station received the repeater transmissions, you should see one or more solid boxes on the short-term signal indicator display. You will also see a square and martini glass icon as you would for a sensor. If you do not see any squares, and next to the short-term signal indicator XX icons remain, reposition the repeater and try again. Placement of the repeater may require some trial and error until a reliable signal is established between the sensor and the base station. Once the location is confirmed, securing the repeater to the wall is simple. Drill out one of the hole locations on the back of the repeater, hang the repeater on the integrated keyhole, and secure using an additional screw through the hole you just drilled. A plug-in transformer with AC terminals powers the repeater. Simply attach the appropriate length 2-conductor 18-gauge irrigation wire to the transformer terminals and the DC terminals on the repeater. If you are plugging the transformer in outside, make sure it is protected from the elements by a weatherproof outlet cover as shown. These can be purchased at any home improvement store and easily installed. Finally, remember to delete the NWA for the repeater you programmed into the base station. Leaving it paired will not affect the operation of the system, but it is likely to show the zone it is assigned to as multi, as if 2 sensors were controlling that zone.